Good day and welcome to today's Autodesk Inventors class. My name is Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. We will be considering the problem as displayed on the screen on the topic interpenetration. Alright, so the first one we have in here is the interpenetration of a cylinder and a hexagonal prism. Alright, and the very first thing I'm going to do is to develop the cylinder. So picking on my Start 2D sketch, picking any convenient plane in that order, I am going to pick my circle. I'm picking a circle, then locking it at the origin, a circle of diameter 88, enter. Alright, so after doing that, I'm going to finish my sketch. Finishing my sketch, I'm going to click on extrude, then I'm going to extrude that circle at the distance of 100 symmetrically. Do you see that? Symmetrically, then what? Okay. Now clicking my OK, I'm just going to stand this up like this. You understand? Coming to my origin, I pick, that's going to be XZ plane. YZ plane. I'm picking YZ plane, clicking on Start to the sketch. Alright, pressing my F7 to cut it. Then I'm going to pick my line. Picking my line, I'm standing at this area here. So see what I'm actually going to do, not at the center per se, but along the center line, but away from the origin. So coming out here in this order, I'm pressing my okay, at a length of 64. Then I'm clicking on my tab key to set the angle. So the angle there is 45 degrees. 45, enter. So I've done that. Then the distance of this line from the midpoint here is mark of 14, as shown in the question. Mark of 14. All right, yeah. So see, take note, this already shifted from the center. So how do I take it back to the center? All I have to do is pick this line with my coincidence constraint, then what, lock it to the origin. See, back to where it ought to be. Then what, I'm going to finish my sketch. So I'm going to click on plane. Clicking on plane, I pick the edge of this line here, then I click on it again. So I have that plane right there. So I'm going to create a sketch on that new plane which I created. Okay, so I'm going to click on project geometry, come to the plane I created at the midpoint there, then what, okay. All right, after doing that, I'm going to come here, pick my polygon. I'm going to click from that area there, then what, draw it like this. Okay, drawing it like this, then picking my dimension. It says across flat, polygon is 60 across flat, 60. All right, 60 across flat, which is what I've done just now. Then what, finish my sketch. So finishing my sketch, I'm going to click on extrude. I'm going to go back the other way around. I'm going to click on toe, then I'm going to click on the body of this, which is that, then what, okay. So then I can actually add my work plane and the sketch too. Sorry for the background noise, which is the dog in my compound. All right, and there comes our what, there comes our object. So I'm going to save that. Okay, now let us get the corresponding question attached to this particular problem. So it says we should produce the given view, the elevation, and an end view in the direction of arrow out. I'm going to do that now. So I'm going to Control N. I'm going to go to standard ISO.idw, yeah, right here. So clicking that, I'm going to open that worksheet. Opening that worksheet, yeah. So I'm going to click on base to bring my object, so which is this. So how does my object actually stands? Yeah, it is standing like this. Is it like this? Let me confirm it from the plan. Yeah, it is standing like this, So it's going to look like this. I'm going to have this view first, my plan, and to this direction, and okay. So that is the complete solution to the problem number 1 as displayed in the question, and it is as displayed on the screen. So this is the front view, the plan, and the elevation in the direction of arrow, and this is the 3D drawing of that particular object. Once again, my name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.